Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to return to something that you have recently corrected or figured out or adjusted or improved, perhaps with the help of your teacher or review of your notes or deeper study in some way, and return to that and just iteratively practice that piece. What I'm picturing here is a very small piece, not a section, not even perhaps a whole move, but just a very small piece. And practice that piece now that you can do it well or better or correct, maybe even perfect, who knows. And as you're practicing it correct, repeatedly, try and investigate the cause of your error. Sort of misunderstanding, was it an instability, was it confusion, was it misdirection, whatever it might have been. So while I'm practicing the move, I'm investigating what caused me to do it incorrectly before. And I find that that'll be something that just immediately preceded it, but I'm not doing what preceded it. I'm doing that move over and over, hopefully that very small piece. If we can't figure out why our errors grow, we're going to forever just be pulling well-rooted weeds out rather than nipping them in the bud. So enjoy. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.